save our planet. China's top scientists note increasing extreme weather due to global warming. In a recent statement, Mr. Ren Fumin, chief instructor of the China Meteorological Administration, cited climate change as the reason for such extreme weather this year across the country, saying that the relentless rainstorms and hot temperatures were due to increased heat and its abnormal circulation over the northern hemisphere. Other scientists, such as Dr. Zong Yongqiang of the University of Hong Kong, agree that the region's overall temperature rise is part of human-caused global warming.
In the last few thousand years, the global climate actually has been cooling, so temperature has been falling, particularly on the northern hemisphere, China or East Asia included. But if you look at the climate record in the last 200 years, this trend, this falling trend, actually has been reversed. So in the last 200 years, we saw temperature was rising. So that basically changed the long-term climate trajectory, which is a very, very strong evidence for the argument of the recent climate warming is due to human impact.
China has recorded nearly 2 full days of additional hot weather than previous years on average, while satellite monitoring data on July 25th showed that the surface temperature in some regions of Inner Mongolia, Gansu, Qinghai, and Xinjiang provinces had reached a sweltering 45 degrees Celsius. Moreover, since March, storms and floods across 28 provinces, autonomous regions, and municipalities have claimed nearly 1,000 lives, with hundreds of people still missing. According to the most recent information released by the Office of State Flood Control and Drought Relief Headquarters, the total economic loss is estimated at $27 billion.
Climate warming in the last 10-20 years have significantly changed the weather patterns in China. We saw more and more warm winters. We also recorded quite a lot really hot summer. And summer is much warmer. This is noticeable, I think, by most of Chinese people in the last 20 years. Such change has caused lots of problems, including increased snowfall in the last 2 years.
We thank Mr. Ren Fumin and Dr. Zong Yongqiang for sharing their expert knowledge on the current effects of global warming. With sorrow for the suffering caused by such extreme weather patterns, we pray that citizens everywhere will join hands to protect our planet from further calamities through our caring lifestyle choices.
During an October 2009 video conference in Indonesia, Supreme Master Qinghai addressed, as on many previous occasions, the urgency of global warming as well as the fastest way to reverse its life-threatening impacts.
Now, according to expert scientists, the atmospheric temperatures are rising so steeply that we do not have much time left to change. And that is just what they have predicted up to date. The effects of climate change can be seen in so many ways, with increased flooding, droughts, fire, and even earthquakes everywhere in the world. How do we stop these alarming changes? The greenhouse gases released from the animals, from their waste, agriculture runoff, and the activities related to these massive operations have been identified as the primary, the number one cause of global warming. We have to halt the meat consumption and the livestock raising. Instead, we should choose to buy organic vegetable and fruit products to save our lives and those of our families, save the animals and the planet.